Hello guys, today is my first time to use this kind of machine. It is a very powerful machine. It is very grateful. It is nice. It is so fast. So I want to thank you so much because I'm very happy. It is operating very well. Yeah, I think it will increase in my income because it is the machine I have been crying for. Now there is nothing I can say that things has defeated me because of the machine. I will do everything anytime. So thank you so much, friends. Thanks for being kind. I will never end up to thank you because what you have done for me is very exciting. I'm so surprised about this machine because I have been crying for it for so long time. Now it is in my hands. It is in my hands. I'm very happy so much. And I know when the customers come in, I will earn more. Yeah, it is a very powerful machine as you see. It is a very powerful machine, very big, very powerful. Yeah. So I want to take this opportunity to thank you so much because I will never end up to thank you. The work you have done for me is very grateful. I'm very happy, my friends. I'm very happy. Yeah.